Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kev, man. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. I know it's been a minute, man, but we back. Shit. I ain't gonna lie, saying a minute, low key, understatement. It's been a break, but since I've done the video, man. But I'm back, man. You know, it's tornado season. That's what I got for y'all right now, man. We got a good, nice size tornado video, man, to react to for y'all, man. It's about a 19-minute video, man. I found a 6-minute video on this. This is on the about 4 days ago. Texas and Oklahoma was hit with had a tornado outbreak, man. So yeah, this is like 19-minute video, like a whole bunch of footage from the different tornadoes that was hit. I mean, that hit the different areas in Texas and Oklahoma. But yeah, man, I know I ain't been here in a minute. You know what I'm saying? That's why I wanted to go ahead and get a good, nice size video, man, for y'all, man. I know it's been a break, man, but we back to posting these videos, man. So y'all make sure y'all get ready. Make sure y'all turn on post notification, man. I'm back doing these videos. And yeah, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's do this.
Right here. Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Oh, they're with the antenna!
I know what kind of
Oh my goodness! Oh man, we just lost electricity! We just lost electricity!
Y'all make sure to comment other natural disasters to react to, man. I know it's been a minute since I've done some videos, man, but I know some. Don't get me wrong, even though I haven't done any videos in a minute, I haven't been paying attention to the weather. There has been a lot of. I know Taiwan had a tornado. Not tornado. I'm tripping. What the hell did they have? Was it an earthquake? Yeah, they had an earthquake. Taiwan had an earthquake, man. I think it was like a 6.8. I'm tripping. I think that's the last video I did. Taiwan. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. That's actually the last video I did. I reacted to the Taiwan earthquake, man. So I definitely make sure I go check that out. And I think we got the hurricane in Florida. You know what I'm saying? Definitely can do a video on that, man. I'll definitely do a video on that for y'all, man. But y'all make sure to send me other stuff to react to, man. I seen some videos from Reed Timber that I want to react to also, man, that I added. So yeah, I got some videos coming for y'all, man. So y'all stay tuned, you know.
Oh my car! Oh my God! My car is getting trampled! Oh my goodness!
like somebody recording that. It's funny because like tornadoes are cool to look at like from a distance. Like they dope as hell to look at from a distance, man. But up close, nah, especially nothing that big. And the wild part is tornadoes don't even be looking that big sometimes from a distance. It depends, but now if it's like an F4, F5, then you could tell obviously it's big. But a lot of tornadoes you could just look at it from a distance and tell it don't look that big. But as soon as that motherfucker get close, it's like goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that shit. Cause I know right now this person recording probably like, damn, I'm glad that shit far. Like. That damage look crazy, bro. Somebody putting that from TikTok.
Over this way, there is a possible tornado on the ground. I'm not going to say 100%, not going to say none.
Rotation.
There's a lot of rotation going on over there. And over this way,
definitely tornado.
0% chance of rain.
That's a small tornado.
You can see jump there. Somebody lost some stuff.
Maybe we should go ahead and close it.
I'm looking for my blanket. Oh, can I look for my blanket?
Hey, don't worry. We're okay.
That's all that matters, man. That's all okay, man. See, that's one of them jokes that look small, but that shit
Got that house. The one over there. Oh no, it's still there. Look at right here. Look right here.
Oh gosh.
Yes.
Yeah, but look at that. That's coming this way, Barry. Get in here.
Get in the house. Get in the house.
You get in here.
I'm coming in. Get in.
Come on, Tootie.
you
Come on.
in here.
Come on.
All right, back.
I'm sorry, that's not funny.
We got no
That's scary
electricity.
situation, for real.
Yep, it's here. It's here.
Come on. Don't not work. Come on. Shit. Tootie, stay right here with us. Get in this hallway, Daddy.
Honey, I gotta watch Shine, baby.
You ain't gonna be able to help her.
It's here.
I need you here.
Okay. Yeah.
Huh.
Son of a bitch. Come here, too. Come here. Get my arms. Get my arms. I'm sorry, honey. I gotta see what's going on.
Oh,
Here.
I know it's here. Oh,
Son of a bitch.
I love my family. And Lord, I ask that you protect us. I love each and every one of you. You get this if it hits us. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, Barry, get in the hallway.
Okay, get in the hallway.
I felt that video. That was a heartfelt video right there. Started crying at the end. Alright, bro, like, let's move on with shit. So one click. Like that. That wasn't even touched down yet. Oh, that shit touching up right there next to them, bro. Yo, my fault. I'm gonna stop pausing after this, bro. But I don't even know if some of y'all seen or heard, bro. But I heard that they're in the works of making a Twister 2. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't seen the first Twister, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You know what I'm saying? But definitely go watch that movie. I feel like if you're watching this video, you probably nine times out of 10, you probably seen Twister 2 before, you know what I'm saying? If you watching this tornado video, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I heard that they're in the works of making a Twister 2, man. I'm definitely excited for that, you know what I'm saying? I think I see Reed Timmer posted on YouTube, man, that they're in the works of making it. I think they're gonna start shooting it. I think they said this coming spring. Yeah, I think they said 2023 spring. So yeah, I'm definitely excited for that. That's gonna be fun. I'm definitely excited to see that. You know what I'm saying? I've always wanted to see Twister. Like, obviously I've seen the movie, but I've always wanted to watch it on the big screen, like in the movie theater. It'd be really cool to watch it like in the movie theater on the big screen. But yeah, because I know like EMC be doing like the little $5 fan favorites. I wish you could do like a request, I should have asked a request like for them to show Twister on the little $5 fan favorites. You know what I'm saying? They be having like right now they're showing 8 Mile for $5 at the movie theater over here where I live. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just want to go ahead and let y'all know that, man. I don't know if y'all knew that or not, man. So definitely get excited for that. That's gonna be dope.
flashes green right there.
Bro, nighttime? I'm sorry, but tornadoes at night. That's scary. Tornadoes in general scary.
Yeah, he's got the idea right there too. It's going around.
The only
the
time
bridge.
you see it was when lightning flashes. It's the only time you fucking see it.
Oh my God, it's right there.
Like literally, you could be driving the tornado could be literally right next to you.
Look at all those people in that crossing.
Shit crazy, bro. Like even watching videos that's
Oh,
typical
dude,
at
you can
nighttime,
see
people
it.
chill.
Oh my
Watching
God.
it right now, people chill because they don't know what the shit's at. Like,
Wow.
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
and people still driving there.
Which way is it going?
I can't tell. It looks like it's moving right.
More damage. Hate to see it, man. Oh, that windshield got cracked or something.
A la verga, míralo, allá está el güey, mira. ¿Qué? I love you. It's okay. Míralo. Pinche tornado, la verga. Fuck. Si nos morimos, fuck it. Ya tú sabes. No. Pues mira, ahí está el tornado, mira. Está grande el hijo de la verga. ¿Sí lo miras, Osai? That motherfucker's big. Mira. No mames, güey. Look, God damn. Pues le estoy dando, que no cuenta. Dale más.
How about to say it? Maybe y'all should get your animals inside. I saw them cows sitting right there, man. What are you recording? Oh, you recording damage. Man, that's the worst part right there, man. Driving through, seeing the damage. Man, the crazy part is, man, I've seen so many tornado videos, you know what I'm saying, and reacted to so many. Man, I've seen some, man, from watching some of the videos, I've seen some bad damage, bro, from watching these videos, man, especially from like the earlier ones I've done, like more Oklahoma tornado and Joplin. Well, I've done a few, I've done a lot. Where was that? Where the two schools that got hit? I'm tripping, that is more. There was one where it was a school that got hit twice by two tornadoes. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. I can't think of where it was. Y'all let me know in the comments. But I've done it, literally done the video, just can't remember. But yeah. See the power lines down.
Well, this is our house. We got hit, but we're safe. Thank you, Jesus.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's all that matters, man.
You're homeless.
Like, if my house was to get hit by a tornado or something, bro, like, bro,
I wish
that
something
came
could do
through.
it.
As long as me safe, like that's all I would care about, like, for real. Because material and shit you can replace. You can't replace your life. Yeah, whoever's house that is, guy. The wild part is like their house is still standing. There's no, like,
You okay?
inside, guy.
Watch stepping on those. I just got a nail in the foot.
Oh.
Yeah, literally, it's crazy. The house still standing up.
I didn't even check my bedroom yet. Okay.
Check out our new skylight here.
This is my room.
Oh my God, those are brand new buildings.
Holy crap.
Oh my
Holy shit. Wipe them out.
God.
Holy crap.
You see if they're okay. Trev,
What?
you need to come up here.
Don't tell him to come up here. Just tell
Well,
him.
906 got hit big time.
Tornado.
Tornado hit. There's trees. There's houses gone. I'm dumbfounded.
This side of the road, this house is destroyed. There's a truck that's upside down and there's not much left of it. There's a semi-trailer in with a bunch of brush, and it's just really bad here right now. So we're gonna here at my friend's house in Otterville, Banbury Lane, Country Club Estates. The old gentleman really helped me when I started my rental stuff. Good advisor.
That's replaceable though. That house is replaceable.
Beautiful home, just
Considering a
destroyed.
lot of people lost
I
it.
think it is rebuildable. I don't see any other
I
structural
was about to say,
than
that house is rebuildable.
what you're
That
seeing.
house is definitely rebuildable.
It's funny how a tornado will go through and it won't. Look at her china. The china she saved for years. Her kitchen is. Don't step on a nail here. See that?
I mean, I think it's rebuildable. That house is definitely rebuildable.
The mirror fell off the wall and didn't even break it. The wind come through this hallway and turned. You can see where it turned.
The whole top part of that lane now set. Look at there, Pat.
But that way.
It's my first time.
Well, alright, man. That's gonna do it for that video. That was dead. I was waiting to see more damage. They finally showed more damage at the end, man. Yeah, it looked like there was some pretty intense tornadoes. Definitely did a lot of damage. A lot of houses were gone. Stuff we hate to see. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm just happy to be back, man, doing these videos with y'all, man. But yeah, man, definitely I got more videos coming. Told y'all I got some Reed-Timmer videos I'm gonna react to this coming. And I got yeah, I'm trying to get into more. I'm trying to get more diverse. You know what I'm saying? More than just weather. You know what I'm saying? Like I was before. It's just YouTube, man. YouTube makes shit hard, bro. With this copyright shit, man. They make it tough, man. You make it tough for you, boy, man. But yeah, man. But I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm actually gonna react to. I don't know if y'all know a group named A&P. You know, so I think I'm gonna start. I actually do watch them. I watch them all the time. But yeah, I think I'm gonna start watching them too. And it's a YouTube group named A&P. If you ever want to check them out, man, definitely go check them out, man. They're a really good group. But yeah, other than that, man, yeah, I'm back, man. So y'all stay tuned for the videos. Make sure y'all turn your post notifications on, man. And we back. Let's do this shit, man. But I got my same goal, man. We trying to get to 5K. You know what I'm saying? 5K subscribers. You know what I'm saying? But right now, that's the you know, first step goal. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna get to 10K. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. But I'll catch y'all in this video, man. Make sure y'all stay safe, man. Make sure y'all get out there and vote. Peace.